Thank you for tuning in, man. I appreciate y'all for coming. All I ask you to do is like this video. But we gonna jump straight into it. Today we talking about turning credit into cash. You heard me, straight up, credit into cash. And my favorite card right now, this is my favorite card right now, the Citi Double Cashback Reward Card. This card right here actually lets you turn cash, credit into cash. So we gonna keep it real simple. This is how it works. If you got a card, Citi Bank will let you liquidate the whole card for the amount of the limit. So if your limit $5,000, you can take a $5,000 loan. It's a loan, but it's cash. It's called a flex loan. When you get this flex loan, you do not have to do another credit check. No credit check required. No application required. No credit check, no application required. The purpose of me telling you this is because when you out on Sunday, fun day, you and your friends, about 5 or 6 of y'all need to have the same card. If everybody got a $15,000 limit or a $20,000 limit, 5 of y'all got $100,000 of buying power. So that's why I'm so geeked up about this card. I'm trying to get a couple of my friends to get the card so we can start flipping homes with somebody else's money. We're using other people's money to flip homes. So I highly recommend this double cashback card by Citi. Good. So as you can see on here, I got available credit of $10,558.89. I just want you to focus on that. And I'm going to show you how to use the app to get the loan. So we're going to scroll. We're going to go to products and offers. I'm going to click lending. Got to put my face in there. I messed that up. Let's get my face in there real quick. Okay, we back up. I'm going to click on flex loan. They say welcome back because I've been looking. So I can borrow $10,558 of a monthly payment of $221 for 60 months at an 8.99 interest rate. That's really a 9% interest rate. 60 months is 5 years. If you want, the shortest you can make this loan is 12 months. If you take it to 12 months, you see the payment change to $930.96. You can go to 24 months. You can go to 36 months. You can go to 48 months. Or you can go to 60 months. And then, as you can see, it say, this is no credit inquiry to take this loan. So they ain't doing another credit check. They don't want you to fill out another application or nothing. So all I got to press is continue. And they asking, how do I want this money? Do I want a check? Or do I want it mailed to my address? And then I will click that. It still say no credit inquiry required. I click the review loan. And then that's how I get my money. That quick, a couple buttons to push. And that's actually how you turn credit into cash.